When the waste box is full, you have an error message on the display of the machine. To reset the error, for start you have to empty the waste box from the old toner. Open the waste toner box. There are 12 clips on the side. Release them using a flat screwdriver. Be careful, the box is full of toner. Lift up the cover. Remove the gears so you don't risk to lose them. Take note of the correct position of the gears. Remove all the waste toner from the box. Do not breathe the toner dust. To reset the error message, under this label there are two glass-type plastic rods. They are sensors. When the box is empty, the light passes through these glasses, but when the box is full of toner, the light cannot pass. The printer knows the box is full and sends an error message. Clean the windows of the glass rods. Reinstall the gears. Reassemble the waste box. Reinstall the box into the printer. The error message has been reset.